Hello, my dear students. Today we will start with SP secretarial practice. In that, we will start with topic number 1 secretary. The last part of this topic is remaining, that is qualities of a secretary. Clear? In our last lecture, we have learned functions of secretary. Today, what are the qualities needed for a secretary? The secretary should possess certain qualities apart from academic qualification. A secretary requires certain qualities to enable him to fulfill the employer's or organizational goals. You all know that in institutional secretary we have learned the qualification of secretary. Clear? You know that secretary of government departments should necessarily be completed IAS degree. ठीक है. Then next, if a secretary working in an organization, then that secretary should have completed his or her company secretary degree. So if a secretary has certain academic qualification, along with that the secretary should have a good qualities. So what are those qualities? We will learn one by one. Qualities of secretary. Number 1, the first quality which a secretary should have: accuracy. What is accuracy? Accuracy means correctness. The things, whenever a secretary do some work, then the work should be in an accurate manner. For example, a secretary must be accurate in his work, like drafting letters, recording minutes, and maintaining records. That means a secretary should do work without any mistake. Clear? So efficiency is required, correctness is required. So accuracy is important for secretary. Number 2 point, adaptability. What is adaptability? Adaptability is nothing but ability to adjust oneself to the changing situation. Clear? That means the secretary, whatever the conditions or situations may be in an organization, the secretary has to adjust himself or herself to that situation. The situation changes due to government policies, management policies, etc. Then cooperativeness. What is cooperativeness? Cooperativeness is nothing but willingness on the part of the secretary to assist others in achieving the objectives of the organization. It helps in developing team spirit and a sense of togetherness. That means it is very much essential that cooperativeness should be there in an organization. If all the workers will cooperatively do the work, then ultimately team spirit will be developed and the sense of togetherness will be there, and ultimately all work will be done at a proper time in an organization. The next point, courtesy. Courtesy implies politeness and kindness. That means a secretary should be courteous while dealing with the people. He should have a positive impression about the employer and the organization. Clear? So a secretary should be courteous while dealing with the people. Next point is initiative. What is initiative? Initiative means a person's tendency to take efforts voluntarily to accomplish a task. That means the secretary should take the initiative to take actions on behalf of the employer if they are not present. The next point, leadership. Leadership is nothing but the ability to guide, advise, inspire, and motivate the subordinates. The leadership skills of secretary helps to create team spirit. That means a secretary should have a quality to guide, to advise, to inspire the employees. Clear? The next point is number 7, loyalty. Loyalty is nothing but faithfulness. A secretary should always be faithful towards his organization, towards his boss. You all know that secretary has a confidential information about the organization. So in this case, the secretary should give priority only to organizational goals. The next point is orderliness. What is orderliness? Orderliness is nothing but doing a work in a systematic manner. It helps the secretary to complete the work in proper order and time. So, orderliness is very much important for the secretary. Then, a pleasing personality. A secretary should have a pleasing personality. This means a secretary should have a proper way of talking, mannerism, good temper, clear. So all these are the quality that a secretary should have. Next point, knowledge seeker. A secretary should update his knowledge as required to enable him to perform statutory functions. That means you all know that in functions we have learned that secretary assists in formulating policy. So it is very much essential for the secretary to have a update knowledge according to the situation, according to the circumstances. Clear? So knowledge seeker. The next point is punctuality. Punctuality is related to the time sense. That means doing the work at an appropriate time. Lack of punctuality creates a bad impression about the organization. The secretary should have a good time judgment. So, punctuality is very much essential in an organization. The next point, sound judgment. A secretary should be able to judge the situation and accordingly take correct decision. The secretary should be able to judge the effectiveness and performance of his subordinates. That means a proper judgment is very much essential for secretary related to his employees or related to his subordinates. Clear? And the last point is tactfulness. Tactfulness is nothing but ability of a person to handle a situation in a right manner. Secretary has to deal with different persons and situations. So this quality will help secretary in acting and reacting in a wise and sensible way. So that's all, my dear students. We have learned today qualities of a secretary. We have learned total 13 qualities, a very important question from the examination point of view, and thus we have completed our topic number 1, secretary. In my next lecture, we will start with topic number 2. That's all for today, my dear students. Thank you.